Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to fix Instagram Reels option not showing problem. So in order to fix this, let's head over to our Play Store and let's search in here for Instagram. So as you can see right now, there's only an open button, but if you see an update button, then click on that and update your app because the Reels option may not be showing because your app isn't updated. The next thing that you can do is to scroll down and you can see here the join the beta program. In here, you can try new features before they're officially released and give your feedback to the developer. So let's try to join the beta by clicking this join button. Click that and click on join. And then we will join the beta programs and just wait for it. After you've done that, let's head over and open Instagram. And then as you can see right now, here's that Reels button. Let's click that and the Reels are now opening. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.